Let's review. To include everyone on the playground, we invite others to play. Take turns to make sure that everyone has fun. Always play with the golden rule in mind. Let's watch what happens when Ava and Indigo don't include Nina on the playground.
Watch me. I bet I can go even faster. Let's race.
Good idea.
Can I swing on the swings with you guys? Sorry, only we are playing right now.
Ready?
Set, go!
Did Ava and Indigo include Nina in the game they were playing on the playground? They didn't. Let's see how Nina is feeling.
I feel left out. I was really hoping to play on the swings with them.
Nina felt hurt that she wasn't included. Ava and Indigo were making the game more important than Nina's feelings. Let's watch them try again.
Can I swing on the swings with you guys?